Infix to prefix conversion, another stack application. Welcome back to myclass.com. Our algorithm contains 7 steps. The first step is checking lots of conditions that we are discussing here. Okay. So first our step is reverse the infix expression. That is very important when we will get a infix expression. Let's see, this is our infix expression. So we want to reverse it like this. C star, this closing bracket first, B plus A opening bracket. That is very important. Okay, this is a closing bracket and this is our opening bracket. We are scanning from left to right. We are reversing the infix expression, then scanning from left to right. Scan the expression from left to right. Whenever the operand arrive, print them. There is an operand, we want to print it into our output. If the operator arrives and the stack is found to be empty, then the stack is nothing is there in the stack, then we want to just push that operator. No need to check any condition. But if the operator arrives and the stack is found to be non-empty, then we want to check lots of things. That is this one. If the incoming operator has higher precedence than the top of the stack, then push it into the stack. It has the same precedence, then also we are pushing into our stack. We are not popping. Only in the lower precedence case, the top of the stack has the lower precedence when compared to incoming operator. If the incoming operator has lower precedence than the top of the stack, pop and print the top of the stack till it finds an operator of a lower precedence or same precedence. We are continuing the same step until we want to reach a lower precedence or same precedence operator at the top of the stack. One more thing is, special thing is, if the incoming character is an operator has the same precedence with the top of the stack. If it is the same precedence, we are pushing into stack, but here when the incoming operator is exponential with the very higher precedence, then pop the top of the stack till the condition is true. Till the condition is true with the same precedence or a higher precedence, we are popping. If the condition is not true, if it is the same precedence, we are popping. Otherwise, the condition is not true, push this exponential operator into our stack. If the operator is a closing bracket, then push to the stack. If the operator is an opening bracket, then pop all the operators from the stack till it finds a closing bracket. Okay. If the top of the stack is a closing bracket, then if the character is an incoming character is an operator, then push the operator into the stack. That is the all condition we want to check when an operator arrives and the stack is non-empty. Now let's discuss this algorithm with an example. Our infix expression is k plus l subtraction m star n plus opening bracket o raised to p closing bracket star w division u division v star t plus q. Little bit longer, but with the example we can check all the conditions in the algorithm. Now first step is reverse our infix expression q plus t star v division u division w star closing bracket p raised to o opening bracket plus n star m subtraction l plus k. This is our input. This is we are using as the input. We are scanning this expression from left to right. When we are scanning, if an operand came, put into our output expression. Okay, add into our output expression. If it is an operator and the stack is empty, no need to worry. We are just pushing that operator into our stack. If it is an operand, we are adding this into our output expression. If it is next is a star is an operator, and when we are checking the stack is non-empty, but star has the higher precedence when compared to our addition, then we are just pushing that star into our stack. Now there is an operand came, that is V. Now there is another operator division, that is the same precedence with our star. When it is the same precedence condition, we are pushing this operator into our stack. Now there is another operand, that is U. Now there is another division that is same with the same precedence condition. We are pushing that into our stack. Another is an operand W. We are adding into our output expression. Now there is a star. Star also has the same precedence with our top of the stack division. We are pushing into our stack. Now there is a closing bracket. When a closing bracket came, we are just push into our stack. Now there is another operand P. Next is an operator exponential. When exponential came, we want to check lots of condition, but in this particular case there is only a closing bracket, then no need to worry, we are just pushing that operator into our stack. Now another thing came, O. We are adding this into our expression, output expression. Now there is a opening bracket came. When opening bracket came, we want to pop all the elements till a closing bracket finds in the stack. So there is only one operator in between this. So we are popping this exponential and we are ignoring this also. So the stack is not containing this two now. Okay, now we have reached here. So there is a plus. Plus has the lower precedence than the star. So we want to start popping. So we are popping star. Now division also has the higher precedence when compared to our incoming character plus. Okay, we are now scanning plus. So division, next division also has the higher precedence. So division, we are popping that division also. We are popping the star also. Okay, because star also has the higher precedence when compared to our incoming operator plus. So we have popped this all for operation and we have just added this into our output expression. Now we are checking this plus with this plus. So both have the same precedence. So we want to add or we want to push this plus into our stack. Okay, now there is an operand came N. Then there is a operator came star. So star has the higher precedence. So we want to push it. N is another operand we want to add into our expression, and subtraction is a. Now we are scanning subtraction. Subtraction has a lower precedence when compared to our top of the stack star. So we want to pop the star first, and okay, we just popped star. And when we are checking with another next to top of the stack, plus and subtraction have the same precedence. So we want to push the subtraction into our stack. So we are pushing subtraction into our stack. Now there is L came. L is an operand. Now there is another operator came plus. Plus is also with the same precedence with our subtraction. Now there is another operand came. We are just adding into our output expression. Now this is end of our scanning. When we are reached the end of the expression, end of the input expression, we are just looking back to our stack. If stack contains operators, we are popping all the operator into our expression. Plus, subtraction, plus, plus. Okay, now the stack is empty. Now this is not our prefix expression. We want to reverse this output. We want to reverse this output. That is our actual output. Clear? So after all scanning, our output is like this. Okay, we have got the output like this. So this is not our prefix expression. We want to reverse this output, then that is our actual prefix expression. So this is the output that we got from after scanning and doing all the things. After that we want to reverse it like this. So this is our output: plus plus minus plus KL star MN star division star exponential OP W U V T Q. Okay, hope it is clear now. Thank you.